Hey guys, this is the unboxing of a new opportunity that I got involved with. And some of you may know that I like to save in gold and silver. So an organization came about, they're about a year old, and they're called Quicksilver. And I signed up for the organization about a week ago, and my package arrived. And this is going to be the unboxing of my package. So actually, I'm pretty excited to open this up and to share this with you guys. You know, I never thought I would get involved with anything else because I always keep myself and my options open. So I did get involved with this opportunity. I said I was already doing gold. Why not do silver in a way that I could actually help the masses? So I got involved with Quicksilver, and they're a US-based company. And let's see what we have inside this box, okay? Got my little box cutter here. So let's go. Okay. Seem to be pretty tightly done. There we go. Making some progress. All right, so let's see what we got in this box. And open it up, and it has my receipt from my package. Has these coin holders for my silver. There should be 32 of those, what I was told. And if you look in, you see everything is nicely packaged. And I am just as curious as you are curious. See what's in this box. You know, with the way the economy is going, it's important that we look at diversifying our portfolio, and we should have both primary, secondary, and tertiary wealth systems in place, besides just having our regular wealth systems that we know of that are usually government-based. And here is my package. Let's take a look at what we got. Nice and bubble wrapped. Seem to be nicely put together. Oops, dropped something. And this is a business card that's thank me for my order. Basically, this says thank you for your order. And on the back of this, this organization, a great thing about them is they're about paying back to the community. And this card on the back here says, thank you for feed my starving children, which is an organization, a nonprofit that they partner with in order to help the community. Inside of here I have 2 brochures. It talks about the organization. You put your personal contact information on the bottom, and when you open it up, it goes over the ways of getting involved with the organization, of visiting the website, watching the video, and getting started. And together, let us turn hunger into hope. Project Save Silver and Someone, and Save Someone. It's an excellent thing when it has a humanity cause connected to it. Then there's another letter in here to just say thank you for your purchase and taking the challenge. Project Save Silver, Save Someone challenge. And that's what I took. I came in with the challenge package. It's a nice case. You see this case right here? It's a nice case. It says Quicksilver Wealth Acceleration. And inside of this case, let's see exactly what we have. Okay, this company believes in being very professional. I like that. They sent me my white nylon gloves like the jewelers use. They also sent me a little velvet board that you actually could put your silver on in order to investigate it and evaluate it like we know what we're really doing. Just this is something that will be part of getting into the works, because I definitely don't know what to do with that, but besides putting it on there and just looking over the silver. Inside of this case, we also have a little pouch, and inside my little pouch, Quicksilver. And this is, it should be a magnifying glass, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, once I learn how to take it out of the case. Oh, there you go. It is a magnifying glass, and there you go. So we use this to actually look at the silver. And this is the inside of the case. Very nice jewelry case. Very nice case, and it has in it, it can hold up to 32 ounces of silver. This right here, this board right here is for 16 ounces of silver. I like the fact that it's a wooden case and it's very well constructed. I'm impressed with that. I actually have a couple of jewelry cases that I do keep jewelry in. I don't really wear too much jewelry, but I do keep jewelry in cases that's similar to this. And here's my second one for this, another 16 ounces of silver, another 16 ounces of silver. And once the case is empty, this is the total inside of the case. So we can get started with putting our silver inside of our case and having somewhere to nicely present it, which is excellent. And that's an awesome thing that we can do. And I'm assuming that this is my silver. Now, I did go with 1 ounce of silver per month to start with, although I can buy more silver during the course of the month, or I can update that at any time. But I did start off with the 1 ounce of silver per month. I do have some silver previously that actually can give me a jump start on filling this case. I like the way that was nicely wrapped inside of this envelope. Very nicely wrapped in this envelope. It had a little seal on it from the company Quicksilver. And then it had another little small envelope inside that actually has my first silver coin from this organization. So let's take a look at that. I try to open up things a little gingerly because I want to be able to put it back the way that I got it. So let's see what my first coin is. My first coin is a South Africa, Southern Africa silver coin. Is a Krugerrand 2020 and 1 pure ounce of silver. This is my first coin to this collection. Let me show you the back side of the coin. It's my first coin of this collection. What I like about saving silver and being a part of this organization is that silver is a commodity that anyone and everyone that wants to participate can participate for less than $30 a month. You can actually participate, or you can buy silver during the course of the month when you desire to buy it. But it's always good to be associated with an affiliate program, and there's a lot of different silver options you can actually look at. They have one that's in a figure 8. I just love that coin. That's a coin that I'm really considering getting a hold of. Now, I just pulled out one of these cases, and knowing me, I hope I don't break nothing. I'm just looking at how to take it, open it so I can actually put my coin in to begin my collection. And I can see the ridges. I'm just trying to get into it to put my silver in it, and I don't want to break anything. When I was growing up, I used to go out the automated doors, and I'm kind of heavy-handed. And when I would say I would open a door, I had a tendency of thinking I was just opening it, and I would push it back and it would sort of get into the point where it would sound like it was going to break. And I thank God that I never broke anyone's doors and had to come out of my pocket to pay for it. Now, I may have to look at a video just to learn how to open these things. I'm just being honest with you, because I don't have any fingernails. One of my things, I'm a thinker, so I'm always biting my nails because my mind is always thinking about something. Some people say I'm a visionary. I think about things and put things together. My mind is always inquisitive. Is always thinking of something. While some people will take and use television as a means to just be entertained, I'm finding myself always looking at something educational. So when I come to you and I talk to you about something, I'm talking to you about something that I studied, not something that, because I don't speak about anything that I haven't studied. So I study it and then I share it with the masses what I find out. So we're going to have to come back and later, and I'm going to have to show you what the coin looks like inside the case. I'll just do this for now, just to give you an example of what the coin would look like inside of the case had I been able to open the case and put it inside of it. So just showing you that was one side of the coin, and here's the other side of the coin. So I appreciate you taking your valuable time to look at me do this unboxing today. And I just wanted to show you, once the coin is actually inside the case, it will look like this. So like I said, this is the beginning for me, the starting. And I appreciate you taking your time and looking at this. And I should have had on my gloves. And I had on my gloves, and so I wouldn't be getting prints all over my brand new silver. Yes. So look at the link that's listed below this video and let me know if you want to start acquiring pure 1 ounce fine silver. This is Tim Robinson. I thank you for taking your time and looking at this video. Take care.